Hello everybody, welcome to our Alibaba Live Show, and today is my honor to accompany you to visit our production line of the artificial trees. First, let me introduce myself, and my name is Alex. You can call me Alex Liu or Alex, yeah. And look at our factories, production line for the making the artificial tree. Yes, we have for more than 3,000 square meters factories, and we have been in this business for more than 5 years. We're making the all kind of the artificial small and big tree, for such as the banyan tree, coconut tree, dead palm tree, maple tree, mango tree, any kind of tree we can make it. Okay, yeah, I cannot wait to accompany you to touch the trees. Yeah. Okay, first let me show you these trees. Wow, this tree is around 3.5 meters. It is a banyan tree. Okay, let's touch it. Touch the leaves. Wow, it looks like a real. You can check it is a silk cloth base, silk cloth material, but it is you can see the wrinkles. Yeah, it's very natural. And take a look at the trunks. It's really beautiful, and it looks like a real tree trunk, but it is the real tree trunk. We painted with some paintings, and wow, very beautiful. And look at this. This is a branch. Actually, it's assembled. See? I can take it out. Wow, it's amazing. So you don't worry about the shipping, because we are assembled and we can pack it in a small carton box or wooden box and to ship it. Okay, and importantly, let's look at this. Wow, this tree, you can see the base. Yeah, on the four corners there are some holes, so you can fix the ground, fix the place on the ground with some screws to keep it balanced. Yes, and this is 3 trunks. Okay, and we have more the trees. Let's accompany you to visit. And this size is a small tree, about 3 meters high. And take a look at the right side. Yeah, it is more bigger, middle size. It's around 3.5 meters height. You can see, I stand here. Wow, very huge size. Yeah. And take a look at that tree. It is a master. It is very huge, around 4 meters or 4.5 meters. Okay, one moment. I stand under the tree so you can check it. Okay, you can see, yeah, this tree very high. Yeah, you can check it. Yes, yeah. Okay, let's move to show you the production details. Look at this tree. Wow, a good shapes. Yeah, you can see the tree trunk. It's very natural. And here we will install the branch, the tree branch. Okay, come this way and take a look at these trees. This tree, I think anybody who knows this tree? What is the name of this tree? Yeah, you're right. It is the king coconut tree, the big trunk. Yes, you see the leaves is assembled. Yes, you can take it out. Very easy for installation. Yes. Okay. Yeah, okay. So you can install with the holes. Yeah, later. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you need to, it's much better, put it very heavily, hard inside. And this tree, the size is 3.5 meters high. And the leaves, yeah, can be outdoor. Yeah, this tree can be outdoor at least 1 or 2 years. Yes. This is a small size, but actually we can make it more bigger. 4 meter or 5 meter or even large. Yes. And this tree, the trunk is a fiberglass, very stronger. Very stronger. It's fiberglass. It's especially for outdoor usage. Okay. And take a look at these trees. Yeah, it looks like a maple tree, but actually it's not a maple tree. Look at, very beautiful. The leaves. Yeah, check its leaves. Wow, it's fabric material. Looks very natural. Natural. Yeah, very stronger. You see? Yeah, it's assembled. Here, yes.
我来拔，我来拔，不对，你那角度不对。
Okay. Okay. See here, a mantle inside to keep it stronger and
这
balanced.
有编号。
This is number one. We already done the remarks on each of the branch, so you will know to put which one holds. Yeah. So it is easily for you to do the installation because it has many the branches. So we make remarks number on each of the branch. It's more easy for you to do the installation works. Yeah, this one, the trunk also real tree. It's stronger, about 10 or 12 cm the diameter. And this tree, the height you can tractor. This tree is around 3 meter high. Okay, and take a look at this area. This is some real tree trunks. Yeah, we will install some leaves on the trunks, so some maple leaves, banyan tree leaves. Yeah, you check the trunks. Yeah, very natural because it is a real tree trunk. Now you know this kind of the trees is very popular for decoration in the restaurant, especially the restaurant or coffee shops or hotel for decoration. Yeah, different size can be customized. Because we are factory, so we can do the customized size and customized leaves for you. Our normally the production time is around 10 days or to 15 days. Yeah, and so far we have exported our products to many markets, such as the USA and Europe market, a lot of countries. Yeah, so warmly welcome you to contact us and follow us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.